Come on, this way.
Oh, it's a bit dark and spooky. What was that?
That? Oh, that was probably just Truckzilla.
Truckzilla?
Yeah, he's a huge giant truck that comes out at night looking for small trucks.
Oh no! What does he look like?
Nobody really knows. But as darkness falls, his engine starts, and he begins to prowl the neighborhood in low gear, his unblinking headlights searching the shadows. Then, just when you thought it was safe to go back in the junkyard, he strikes!
What does he do?
He crunches you into a million pieces!
Oh, but I don't want to be crunched into a million pieces!
Oh, I wouldn't worry about that, Scooch.
You wouldn't?
No. Much scarier things than Truckzilla come out at night. Now, come on, and keep your headlights peeled.
Right.
Now, there are some stories I've heard. Some may be true and others absurd, but nothing will give you a fright.
Oh.
Like things that go bump in the night. There's a machine that goes crunch. Will eat you for breakfast or eat you for lunch, but that shouldn't give you a fright. Like the things that go bump in the night. Shadows dancing on the wall, wings across the moon. Some things hardly scare at all, others sound like doom. From now on, you better look out. There may be a creepy thing creeping about, but nothing will give you a fright. Like things that go bump in the night.
Oh, Scooch.
Sorry, Diggs. Don't you think the junkyard looks a bit different at night? A bit more spooky? Yes, that's the word.
You're such a pair of scaredy trucks. I'm not